Kawasaki Motor officially released the Ninja 500 and Z500 using the latest generation engine at the 2023 EICMA exhibition in Milan, Italy. These two motorbikes will replace the Ninja 400 and Z400, which have been on the market for a long time. The Ninja 500 and Z500 use the Kawasaki Eliminator 500's 451 cubic centimeters two-cylinder engine. This engine is slightly larger than the previous 399 cubic centimeters engine, so it didn't require much change to fit it into the Ninja and Z chassis. The extra 52 cubic centimeters increases power and torque output throughout. Rev range. These two motorbikes have a 451 cubic centimeters two-cylinder inline twin with liquid cooling, power reaching 44.7 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 42 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. This motorbike weighs 171 kilograms for the Ninja and 167 kilograms for the Z500. A tank capacity of 14 liters and tire sizes of 110 to 70 ring 17 inches at the front, and rear tires 150 to 60 ring 17 inches. The aggressively styled Z500 is powered by a new two-cylinder water-cooled engine equipped with assist and slipper clutches. The responsive power unit is housed in a lightweight trellis-type chassis, providing confident handling and easy reach to the ground for A2 license holders. The Ninja 500 comes with several small updates, including styling changes for both models. The design follows other current Ninja models. The seat height remains the same at 30.9 inches as the 400 model, but the Ninja 500 and Z500 seats have a new, flatter shape. What is quite unfortunate is that these two motorbikes still use telescopic front suspension, as well as a regular style swing arm. This is understandable because both motorbikes are in the entry-level class of Kawasaki motorbikes. For the European version, Kawasaki will offer two versions. The Ninja 500 Standard comes in metallic spark black and metallic flat raw greystone colors. Meanwhile, the Ninja 500 Southeast comes in lime green ebony, metallic matte dark gray, metallic flat spark black and metallic moondust gray. On the Ninja 500 SE there are additional features such as a TFT screen, USB-C socket and keyless. On the 2024 Kawasaki Z500, there are changes to the LED headlights which are similar to the Kawasaki Z7 Hybrid. The body on the Z500 is sharper than the Z400, and the front fenders use a new, shorter design. Like the Ninja 500, the Z500 is offered in two variants, namely Standard and SE. With the addition of a TFT screen and a USB-C socket, plus two lower fairing sections. The Z500 Standard only comes in metallic spark black, metallic matte Grafensteel gray.